Hey everyone, I wanted to share with you what we need to do to get started for Chapter 9 in Gallery. So we'll be building a mobile version of our websites here in Chapter 9. Essentially, we're going to be making a folder inside of each of the main websites such as Gallery, Justin's Lawn Care, Designs by Dolores, and Healthy Lifestyle. So we're going to make a folder, we're just going to call it M, and inside the M folder, we're going to house everything. So there's going to be an index page, and then if we're going to have images, there's going to be a separate images folder. So what we're going to do is take care of just some general housekeeping first. I'm going to go back out to my desktop, and I'm going to pull up um, my folder where I have everything stored. So here's Gallery. I'm going to open this up. So I'm first going to go back and I'm going to make a new folder. I'm going to call that M for mobile. Open that up. Okay. Now, also with this project, we're going to have images. So the images are going to be the template file that you find back in Schoology. So back in Schoology, at the very bottom of the page underneath your rubric, you want to download the zip file. You want to open that up. I'm going to extract. And in the extracted folder, once that opens up here, I'm going to hide this one. Again, I can tell this is the original one because it still says compressed. On the new one, I'm going to open up Gallery. I'm going to take this images folder. I'm going to copy it. Go back out to my M folder in Gallery and paste that in. So right now, when I'm looking at Gallery, I have all my pages. I have a template folder, I have a CSS, and I have an images folder. Inside the M folder, we're going to also have the images. So there's two separate image folders, one for the main site and one for the mobile site. So this is the first housekeeping you need to take care of for this. And then back in Dreamweaver, again, just to see how this looks, again, that's all I'm showing here. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to create a new HTML5 page. So be a new document, HTML5, and click on create. You simply want to save this as your index. Let me switch back into my design view. I've been working with this is the first chapter that I'm going to encourage you, and I'm going to have you work in the live view eventually, but for right now, stick back in design. So in the design view, okay, make sure we're there. Let's go back and we'll save this. Now, this is important. You want to make sure you're inside the M folder. So double click on this, make sure you can see that up here, and simply go back here and call this index. So again, this will be your second index file that you have with the site. So you should still see the original one out here. You don't want to overwrite that, because if not, you'll have to go back and recreate that. So inside the mobile site, you're going to have your images folder and then your new index page that we're going to use to build your mobile pages on. So this takes care of basically getting started in Chapter 9.